Hello cuties! Today we are at Disney World at Galaxy's Edge, a Star Wars themed land here at Hollywood Studios, and I am so excited. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna eat our way through this area. May the food be with you. Let's go. We're here.
That one's a Warner Brothers.
Okay, we're at the entrance. Oh my god, that looks amazing. By the way, I want to give a huge shout out to Joby for sponsoring this video. I am actually using their new mobile vlogging kit. What I have going on is I have the phone, I have the mic, I have a leg extended from my GorillaPod, and I have my Sony RX plopped on one of the legs. So I am filming portrait, I'm filming horizontal. I'm getting all angle when I go battle the first order. Let's go.
What is the car?
Awesome! Oh my gosh! Alright everybody, we are in Oga's Cantina bright and early. Literally it is 8 a.m. right now and I just ordered alcohol. So that is what's happening. And the table is kind of sticky. Some tips. First, you only get 45 minutes of seating time. Secondly, you're going to share a table and stands with a lot of people. Most of the Cantina area is actually like 90% standing room. 3, in order to get in, you want to make a reservation on the app. However, if you come here early, they do accept walk-ins early on. I don't know if this is true for the weekend. We are here on a Monday and it is February. Oh wait, it's early March. Just so you guys know the time frame. So I already ordered and my food has come. I think we have about like 25 more minutes of eating time. Let's take a bite.
United Kingdom.
That is so strange. So it tastes like sour apple jello, and then as you bite into it, you get that popping candy, so everything is like dancing on your tongue. It is really, really sweet. The peppercorn on top is not spicy. And you guys, inside there is popping bubbles. I can't tell if I enjoy this or if I'm just amused because it's so interesting. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Oh, bro, you wanna try this? Try this on top.
This cookie is surprisingly good. The top layer is kind of like, it tastes like Rice Krispie hardened by sugar. This is just like fake frosting on top. Let's try the famous blue milk. Apparently it's like rice flour with coconut milk.
Oh, you know where they make tea from?
You know what this tastes like? This tastes like Pepto-Bismol. It tastes like a yogurty type of drink, sour yogurt drink. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a fan of this blue milk. I'm drinking it and I feel like my stomach is already upset. It is dairy free, but I don't know, I'm not a fan of this, man. Cookie is a pass. This is meh. The jello thing is actually pretty cool, especially if you get the alcoholic version. Just being here in this experience and seeing all the details of everything, it's amazing. There's a droid DJ, which is pretty freaking awesome. Okay guys, I think our drinking time is coming up, so I'll see you guys in the next spot. Cheers. We are at Ronto Roasters. We are getting the Ronto wrap. And this particular item, they have like such raving reviews. It's a spicy sausage wrapped in pork loin, topped with coleslaw and topped with peppercorn sauce, and held together by a nice and fresh pita wrap. I mean guys, there's a lot of weird color food here and weird snacks, but I don't know why. This just looks so darn good. I'm just gonna bite into it. Ready? Oh yeah, that sausage is surprisingly juicy. You didn't expect that because it's like kind of tiny and slender, but that's surprisingly juicy. The coleslaw just adds a beautiful, nice, refreshing crunch. I will say there's just like very much unnecessary pita wrap, but we have something to dip it in. All right, guys, we have this bite coming up with the pork, the sausage, and the coleslaw. It's gonna be a good bite. Here we go. It has everything you need, a nice crunch. It's kind of spicy, it's meaty, it's carby. I mean, this is a great snack. A great lunch item, actually. Here's the thing, it is available all day, and they have a breakfast version with cheese and eggs and sausage. Ooh, doesn't that sound so good too? The peppercorn sauce is a little bit spicy. It reminds me of sweet chili sauce. Really delicious, just very light. I think they tailor the spice suitable for everybody. Also, the pita bread is not bad. It's not as fresh as I thought, but it's really soft. Disney food can really be a hit or miss, but this is a definite hit. My size.
Do it.
This is my size. This is it, guys. This is so realistic. Look at these porks. Oh my god, you're so fluffy. Bruh. Oh, yes. It's a Santa.
That's the one I have.
Sick.
Cool.
That one's really cool. Beep boop, beep boop. Like and subscribe. Check it out, you guys. They have Coke bottles in the shape of thermal detonators.
Oh yeah.
Amazing. Thank you so much. We are at our next spot. It's just non-stop eating today. There's like all my friends are sitting around me watching me vlog. We have the sticky ribs. Just want to let you know that when I was cutting it, it literally fell off the bone. It was very tender. Dang, that's good. Really beautiful sweet glazed on top. Wow. I think this was one of the more reasonably priced dishes. $16.99. And the portion size is pretty big. Very filling. Very delicious. Another item that you have to get here is the garden salad, and my friend has kindly saved me one last ball. So that's what that looks like right there. Look at that. Look at that sauce. Check that out. Let's try it. That's not real meat. That tastes like a real meatball. It looks like a falafel. It tastes like a meatball. It's very savory. It's Volution. That is very good. Really well seasoned. Surprisingly delicious. And I can't believe it's vegetarian. Wow. The Volution spread and these ribs. Highly recommended. Delicious. Approved. Next up, this is one of the dessert items, and you can pick this one, and you can pick another one that has passion fruit, which is a fruitier option. I like chocolate, so here we go. Let's dig into this. Ooh, oh, it's kind of tough at the end. Oh, that's what it looks like inside. Oh, how cute! There's like mousse, a little cake part on the bottom. Interesting. Let's take a bite. Some of this mousse. Oh yeah. Rich,
Too sweet?
creamy, literal dessert heaven for any chocolate lovers. Wow. It's the mousse on top because it's so cold. It's just so refreshing along with that chocolate cake on the bottom. Yum, yum, yum.
Right now, I wanna maybe go to
I'm a big fan of all the food I've eaten here. I haven't tried the other items, but there's like chicken, there's fish, mac and cheese, veggies, there's a bunch of stuff for you guys. And lots of seating as well. You see that number 80? And then if you go out, you'll see like 70 something and another number somewhere. That's actually the years of the first 3 Star Wars films. Yeah, little things here and there. It's really cool. Love a man in uniform. Oh yeah. Hey little buddy. What's your name? Oh, hi. Hi. Where are you going? Here we go. Okay, you guys, we've been here for quite a long time, many hours, and I can definitely say if you guys are a Star Wars fan, you'll be obsessed with it. If you're not a Star Wars fan, you will still love it so much. Oh my gosh, the details is incredible. They have really did a good job just building this entire place. The food, honestly, surprisingly good. Some of the stuff can be sweet and gimmicky, and of course the price is ridiculous. But in terms of taste and flavor, some of the items today were actually pretty good. I have to mention, don't get... You guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below which of the food that we tried today would you love to try. And also, if you've already been to Galaxy's Edge, let us know your recommendations in the comments. Okay, I will see you guys next time. Bye. Beep boop, beep boop. Like and subscribe. Oh my gosh, you guys. Baby Yoda, Baby Yoda. We just got pilot on the Millennium Falcon.
Intercepting a first order trade shipment of engineer. Repair test. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left.